We'll begin by debunking many of the misconceptions about the development and application of the WBS and explode a number of myths about its use. First and foremost, the WBS is not the project or program schedule. And by the same token, the project or program schedule is not the WBS. You may be wondering to yourself, why is this the case? And if so, why do so many people believe something else? Let's look more closely at the WBS to find an answer to that question. There are a number of important attributes associated with work breakdown structures. Here are the key attributes associated with the most effective ones. A WBS uses nouns and adjectives to define the work. More about this in a minute. A WBS contains no task dependencies. A WBS contains no durations. A WBS contains no activities. A WBS contains no resource assignments. By contrast, here are the important attributes of schedule development. A project schedule uses verbs and nouns to define planned tasks and activities. A project schedule articulates dependencies between activities. A project schedule defines when work will be started and completed. And a project schedule contains resource assignments. When we align these concepts and reflect on the unique roles the WBS and schedule play together, the function of these important elements becomes much clearer. A WBS defines the what of a project or program, and a project or program schedule defines the when and often the who. And finally, another component, the network diagram or precedence diagram dependency model, defines the how. We'll talk about this last element a little later in our session.